Dear students, in today's session we shall discuss 1 marks questions, that is objective type questions. So in the semester examination you will have to answer 10 questions of this type. So already we have discussed all 3 acts of the play Final Solutions, and today we shall see some important objective type questions. So who is the first playwright in the English to be awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award? The answer is Mahesh Dattani. How many acts are there in Mahesh Dattani's Final Solutions? It is very simple, 3 acts. Then who is writing a diary in the play Final Solutions? So it is Daksha, or who is also known as Hardika. Then when does Daksha write her diary in the play Final Solutions? That is, the exact date is 31st March 1948. Then Daksha had a very good taste for the songs of dash dash. The answer is Shamshad Begum and Noor Jahan. Then Daksha wanted to become a singer. Sometimes it may be asked like this: who wanted to become a singer? The answer would be Daksha. Then which Muslim girl was a friend of Daksha? It is Zarain. Then what is the reason for the communal tension between Hindus and Muslims in Final Solutions? The answer is a rumor. Rumor means a fake news that an idol of the Hindu god was purposely broken down by Muslims. Then who is Smita in Final Solutions? So Smita is Hardika's granddaughter or Ramnik's daughter. Then who is Tasneem? So Tasneem is Javed's sister or also Smita's friend. Then who is Ramnik? Ramnik is Smita's father. It means Hardika's son and Aruna's husband. Then what does the Hindu mob find near Bobby as an evidence of he being a Muslim? So the Hindu mob finds a skull cap or a prayer cap. Then who hide themselves in Ramnik's home? It is Javed and Bobby. Then who does not like Javed and Bobby in Ramnik's home? The answer is correct. It is Aruna. Then who is Tasneem's fiancé? Fiancé means would be husband or future husband. Yes, it is Javed. Sorry, it is Bobby. Then who was stabbed to death in Final Solutions? Yes, it is Pujari. Then Ramnik's grandfather was killed by, yes, it is by a Muslim mob. Why was curfew imposed in Amargaon? Because there had arisen communal tension between the Hindus and Muslims. Who owns a cloth shop in Final Solutions? So it is again Ramnik. Then whom does Ramnik offer a job in his shop? Yes, it is to Javed. Why was Javed expelled from his house? Expelled means why was he driven out of his house? Because he was hired by a terrorist organization. Why does Javed become furious towards Ramnik? Because Ramnik asked Javed teasingly about his involvement in terrorist activities. Why had Javed been abused by a Hindu neighbor when he and Bobby were young? Because Javed had touched that Hindu neighbor's letter. Then what did Javed throw in Hindu neighbor's house? Yes, he had thrown pieces of beef meat. What was the order given to Javed by his organization? So the order that he received was to kill the Pujari in the name of Jihad. Who loved each other but later separated because of communal problems? Yes, it is Smita and Bobby. The mob comprises of dash dash men. Yes, it is 5 men. Who reads diary at the start of the play? Yes, it is Daksha. Whose fountain pen does Daksha use to write her diary? Yes, it is the fountain pen of her father-in-law. Whose family was against Daksha's singing film songs? Yes, it is Hari's family. Here, Hari is Daksha's husband. How many years old was Daksha when she was married? Yes, she was just 15 years old. When did Daksha live with her family before her marriage? Yes, she lived in Husainabad. Who told Smita that the Muslim girls' hostel was bombed? Yes, it is Tasneem. Where do Tasneem's parents live? Tasneem's parents live in Jeevnagar. What is the name of Tasneem's father? It is Noor Ahmad. Who imposes her thoughts on Smita? It is her mother Aruna. Who was Kanta? Kanta was Daksha's maid or helper. Who accompanied Daksha to the market? It is Kanta. Who is Gaju? Gaju is Daksha's mother-in-law. Who is Wagh? Wagh is Daksha's father-in-law. How many buckets of water does Gaju use for bathing? It is 16 buckets. Who snores in Daksha's family? It is Wagh. Who was the oldest among the 5 sisters living in Daksha's locality? It is Zareen. What does the mob find near Bobby? A bus ticket from Jeevnagar. Which date was mentioned on the bus ticket? That is 22nd. Who shouted, "Kill the sons of swine"? It is Hindu mob. Who cried out, "Throw them out, we will kill them"? Again it is the Hindu mob. At whom does mob shouts as "Traitor, traitor"? That is at Ramnik Gandhi. Whose presence does Hardika not like in her home? Yes, it is the presence of Javed. Who was dropped from the college? Again it is Javed. What reason does Bobby tell Ramnik for coming to Amargaon? He tells Ramnik that he came to Amargaon to visit a friend. Why does Bobby often go to Smita's college? To meet Tasneem. Whose father died in Husainabad soon after the partition? It is Hardika's father. Who offers milk to Javed and Bobby? It is Ramnik Gandhi. What is the real name of Bobby? It is Babban. What did Bobby's friend call him in college? It is also Baboon. Name the friend in whose house Daksha listened to her favorite songs on the gramophone. Yes, it is Zareen's house. What business was Ramnik engaged in? He ran a sari shop. Mention the real reason Javed had come to Amargaon. Javed had come to Amargaon to create communal tension between Hindus and Muslims. Who demand that Javed and Bobby be handed over to them? It is again Hindu mob. What does Bobby pick up in the puja room? An idol of Hindu god. From where did the Rath Yatra start? That is from the Vishnu Mandir. When was the trouble started during the Rath Yatra? When the Rath Yatra had reached Karim Bagh. For how many days the broken idols were lying on the street? That is for 4 days. Who owned a sari shop in Kapad Bazar? It is Ramnik. Who wanted to join his father in the cloth mill? It is Hari. Whom does Daksha refer to as a silly goat? That is to her husband Hari. Which shop did Zarain's father run? That is, Zarain's father ran a dry fruits and mithai shop. Who went to Wagh to ask for a job? Zarain's father. Who asked Javed to leave his letter on the wall? A Hindu neighbor of Javed. Who loved playing the hero with the neighborhood boys? It is Javed. What did Zarain's mother do? Meet household expenses after their shop was burnt. She did some embroidery work. Who told the people of his community that his shop was burned purposely? Zarain's father. What is jihad? It is the holy war. What were the last words of Pujari before being stabbed? His last words were his God's name. Who stabbed the Pujari? Someone from the mob and not Javed. Who feels like a rat in the hole? It is Smita. Who chews on his collar when he is nervous? It is Daksha's husband Hari. Thank you.